Simply Empowering. I'm Chanyen Thong from Penang, Malaysia. I have just received the gift and look, I have just unboxed it. It was so amazing and I love everything inside, especially the letter. Oh yeah, and here, I want to especially thanks to Simply Empowering for your preacher sponsor. Because of your preacher sponsor, now we can learn new things with other Gen Zs together. How amazing was that? And I'm not gonna lie, Simply Empowering had just my dream come true. Thank you so much, and all of us hope to see you again and work to you together. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. See you next time. Bye!